So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night whenever you are, Mr. Agus and the teaching assistant. So today I'm gonna demonstrating my midterm mini project, which is in this case is a Doze task, which is a mini app to like combining the calendar and some notes app. So basically it's like a convenient calendar app on my iPhone here. So yeah, like this one. So just add something and then reminder. Yeah, just like my version of this app, this kind of app. And okay, so today for the mini project, I took a crude and which is to create the agendas, reading the agendas, edit the agendas, and delete the agendas. And there's a file-based authentication with the email password sign up, and just a traditional way. And there's no some such as verification and stuff. So I just make it simple and storing data in the file store, of course. Before I recently knew that if we want to use file-based storage, we need to upgrade our account. So just we need to subscribe to upper level. But so yeah, for storing the media, I will put it in locally, and after that for the notifications, I used to approach, which is I create the local notifications and pop-up overlay in the system. In this case, I use an iPhone, and of course for the resource for the smartphone, I use a camera and a GPS for this case. And here's the run it. For the detail, you could see in my README repository, and here's the app. And okay, here's the app. Yep. So here's my Fata's Doze task, and here's the calendar. Of course, if I want to search the calendar from based on month or based on year, whenever I want. Is for based on year. This is yearly overview, on monthly overview, and this is the label. So I could add the label, or maybe just use a current an available label. Works, personal errands, and this is my profile. So I need to delete the account first. Yeah, this is case my account. Yeah, I need to delete first and login again. Because I need to make a new account called admin3@gmail.com, and then I make just a simple admin3 and create account, and it should be registering. Okay, so it's already registered. So here's my new account, and I want to make a new agenda. In this case, like example T3, T4. This is a taskbar, and I can choose whatever label I want, and I could add up the label. So maybe we could add a label after this work. And in this case, I want to make sure that I want to 2000 in this current of time, which is 28 April. Okay, April, yes, this day. And I want to start at maybe 35, and we'll be finish it at 40. And of course I can choose from the gallery of my phone, or maybe capture the camera. So I want to capture it just in case, and use the photo, and then I use the location itself. So in this case, I want to use Departemen Teknik Informatika. Yes, it works. Use the location, and I can using remind mechanism or not. So in this case, I use it. Okay, because now is on January. I need to move on my current in 2026. Yeah, there's an okay. So here's for the read. So the create is as you see before, and here's the read mechanism. I could say the detail. Okay, there is a reminder that will be start in 5 minutes. So there'll be mechanism reminder in 5 minutes before the agenda. And here's the detail I could see, and I could edit. Okay. So maybe for this case, I want to make a new label called test. Maybe I could choose gray and then change the label to gray to test. Save change. Okay, and yeah, even we could delete it too. So here's one mechanism. You can add the labels too. Even we can edit the labels, so it's fine. And we can delete the labels. So not only CRUD on the agendas, but also CRUD on the labels too. And here's just about the profile. So there is no such things as a detail regarding the profile for now. So I guess that's it. And this is a test reminder pop up. Yeah, just to make sure that the notification works or not. It should be work. Yep, it works. And yeah, we need to wait for at least 4 minutes for this to make sure if it works or not. Or maybe we could edit to the nearest time, like maybe 32. Save change. Yes, just to make sure if the notification works or not. Just waiting until 32. Okay, we could wait a little bit longer. It should be work. Yeah, there is a reminder that the agenda is already started, and we could see the detail, and we could checklist it. So if we checklist the detail, it will be some kind of like mark that notice that says that the agenda is already finished, and we could delete the agendas by using the button or maybe slide it up. So yeah, that's all for the task. And maybe if we want to make a new agenda in a different day, it will be work too. So maybe I want to make in tomorrow, and maybe we'll use at the same time but a different day. T5 and T5, and the photo, maybe I want to take some gallery. Yeah, this is from my friends. Yeah, so is for informatics. Informatic test again. Test. Oh, there's a cafeteria. Okay, seems quite nice. And then we create task. And also it didn't appear because I currently use Tuesday, April 28th, so I should switch to 29. Yep, and it appears. So I think that's all for my demonstration for mini project. Thank you for see my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night for whenever you are.